Okay, this is a real quick tutorial on how to get up and running with Kodi on the new little device that you might have. So basically, just assuming that you've got the network settings set up, you can see that I'll connect it to my wireless there, and it's all connected up. But if you're not connected up, that's where you need to go to first. Right, so we want to go down to Kodi, which is that symbol there, and we'll fire him up. And don't be too fussed about the little screens coming out the bottom. That's just Kodi connecting up to the network and different things like that it needs to do to work. Also, you may see a thing come up at the top of the screen up there occasionally, which tells you to swipe down. That's just assuming that you might have a touch screen type device, but using your remote control and the button down the very bottom right hand side, you can just press it once, and instead of it being jumping around like it does as a pointer, so to speak, it will become a mouse button, and the mouse will move around, and you can just click OK on if that screen comes up. Anyway, back to what we're talking about. We're going to have a look at some videos, so we'll just go to Prime Wire, one channel, and we'll just go to TV shows. And just to keep this demonstration simple, we'll go to most popular and just choose something from the most popular list. You can see that working scrolling type thing happening there. I'll go Game of Thrones just for something to load up for this demo. And we'll go to the most recent season. And it's just loading up the episode so far for this season, so I can display it. The speed of this will depend on your internet connection and various other factors, but usually the speed of your internet connection. Ours is rather slow, so yours might happen faster than this. So basically now it's opening up all the different streams. Now, this is the bit that I wanted to concentrate on. From my experience, realvid.net is a really good stream to download in Australia. It's rather fast. Best Streams, Vidsy are all really good streams to download with. Nova Move that you can see there, all of them are fairly good streams. You'll find some of them aren't real flash. They're basically for other parts of the world. So I'd stick to realvid.net if it happens to be there, and select that as the stream that you want to use to watch the show on. So as you can see, it's saying working down in the corner, and that's just buffering a little bit of the show, so it can always keep in front of the game. So as you can see, it's loading up quite well, and we're away. Pressing the OK button, that gives you all of the buttons that you need to stop, fast forward, rewind and stuff, but we're just going to stop and exit out of here, just so that we can give the same sort of demo on another show. And we'll just Arrow. I've never actually watched Arrow before, but we'll just click on that one and load up the seasons of that, and we'll go through the same process. Just go to season 1, episode 1, just for the hell of it. Like I was saying, the speed of your internet is going to be the defining factor of how quick it loads up the episodes and whatnot, but and ours is rather slow out here. So we'll just wait for that one to finish loading, and we'll just go to the pilot episode. And we see similar sorts of streams again, and like I suggested, realvid.net, in my experience, seems to be a good one for Australian use. We'll just click OK, and that's just getting the episode ready. Usually about 10 to 15 seconds is all it takes to get the episode ready to start watching. And then again, same, press the OK button, brings up sort of the menu screen so we can press stop and exit out of it. And the same applies for movies, and we'll just jump into the movies real quick just to give a demo on that. So we go to movies and go down to the most popular movies, just because there's bound to be stuff in there that's okay to watch. And let's just go to Ted. It's top of the list. And you'll find similar streams in here as well. Prompt File seems to work well as well. RealVid, the one that I've been banging on about, always seems to be reliable in Australia, so we'll give that one a try here as well, just to see if it lets me down or not. And as you can see, it's loaded up really quickly, and here we are. We're going to watch uninterrupted version of Ted here. That once it's buffered, you'll see you right through all the way through to the end. So I'll just press stop. And there's heaps and heaps of other stuff you can do with this, but it's baby steps, I reckon, is the way to go. But just say, for instance, you wanted to listen to some music. There's online radio stations as well. You browse by genre of music. You probably pick from the 80s and 90s or whatever suits, But yeah, let's just try 80s. That's a good era of music, and it will bring up different feeds of music just from that era. It's just stuff you can have playing in the background when you have people around or whatever. So we'll just wait for that to load up. But anyway, I won't worry about loading up. We'll just call it quits there, and we'll go on that later.